Brad Williams, Excel Prime, show columns 1 and 2 in a new list. Using the take function, what are we doing? We're looking at our block here, our Lego block. We have columns 1, 2, and 3. It'd be B, C, and D. That's our numeric count based on whatever our array is. If we set up an array that just points to C and D, then it would be columns 1 would be C and columns 2 would be D. Here we're asking columns 1 and 2, show them in a new list. Here's our output, the array. It's critical that you understand the output we want. We want B5 to D16. Notice we grab this entire array, but then we just put 2. Going left to right, positive number, we're going to take state and visitor. And that's the output that is produced. No trickery here. You want it backwards, you use negative numbers. Notice, important here, see this space here? That space represents rows. We're not dealing with rows, we're dealing with columns. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.